guys? It's Jesse from J.V.M, or Jesse Vega Media, as I guess I'm starting this off as. But today we're going to go over to my friend Jeff's shop, Gleaming Auto Steaming here in Spring Hill, and fly around the drone a little bit, get some shots of the Mclaren 720s that's in there right now. Just have a fun day overall. So let's go do it. All right, Jeff, what are you doing to this McLaren?
So we're currently doing a full paint correction to get rid of all those swirls and scratches. Get the paint looking as best as possible before we lather it in a bunch of ceramic pro. And as you can see, we've also got the vehicle up in the air with the wheels off, so we can coat the awesome gunmetal calipers and the wheels that we've got sitting over there. This is the only way to do a ceramic coating, in my opinion, is to do it all. So that's what we're doing here tonight at Gleaming Auto Steaming.
I gotta go take an Arby's break, or Zaxby's. I'm hungry. They're a little soft in there. Man, as much as I love this car, it is going soon. Getting the golf all track for moving to Colorado and make some awesome content out there. So I finally got my food. Time to go back to the shop, get some more shots of the McLaren, maybe film with the drone a little more. So. Well, it's the end of the day, time to end this video, but just want to say thank you for everybody that was watching. Please feel free to subscribe, drop a like if you like the content. Big thanks to Jeff at Gleaming Auto Steaming here in Spring Hill, one of my best friends for a long time, and we're about to do some great stuff. Moving to Colorado soon, some awesome content will be coming. And feel free to follow him over on YouTube as well. His name is The Great Laker. Used to make some motorcycle content, but he'll be coming back soon. So thanks for watching.